realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
Listen, the reason why I paid off my account early, and I don't know if I should show it, but I kind of showed it earlier. You're able to pay off your Kikoff account early, so you have to buy something from the store. I bought something for $10, but they have an option where you can pay it early. I just paid it off early because I switch my debit cards a lot. Like I switch my debit cards a lot, and I don't want to get to the point where I forget about it, out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. Even though I do have to log into Kickoff every month and click pay, I don't want to get to the point where it's like, oh, you guys tried to take the money out last month and it didn't work, and I missed this one too. Now I'm gonna get a late payment. I just didn't want to mess up with that. Me did move to a different state, different address changes, different cards. Most likely, I'm going to. I just didn't want to go through that. So if you're the type of person where you may forget to pay, or if you like me, you freeze your debit card sometimes. Even a client earlier, like, yeah, I freeze my debit card. Let me unlock it so I can get identity IQ. If you're that type of person, or you're the type that you may just even forget, or you may not even have the money on your card because sometimes your account is overdrawn. I remember a point in my life where it was not like it was normal for me to um my account to be negative a few times. Like I remember struggling like that, you guys. And if you're in that struggle right now, just pay that $10 off right now. Pay the $20 off right now because they're still going to report that $500 to your credit account. So that's the reason why I would pay it off early. If not, if you know you good, just you're not going to change your debit card. If you know you're going to go ahead and check to make sure that they got their payment, just let them take out the $2 every month. You'll be fine. Like the last time I got a late payment is because I actually put the wrong account number. I switched to the last 2 digits of my account number because I told them they could take it out of my account. But they still gave me that late payment because they wasn't able to get that payment. And since I wasn't on top of always checking, I thought they got paid. I'm thinking they're good. No, they was not good, y'all. It dropped my credit score. So I always tell people, like, just pay it off right away. It's $10, just $20. If you can, just pay it off. And I want people to understand, like, if you're to the point where you're having, like I told you, it was a point in my life where I got constant late payments. That wasn't like a normal for that was very normal for me to have a late, but like a not a late payment, but an overdraft fee. Because like depending on your bank, at the time I had Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo would let you overdraw your account, or you would have subscriptions come out and you didn't even remember. Or right now we just everybody just having a hard time right now. I would just tell people just to pay it off right away, or if you know that you'll have your $2 in your account will not be negative, just let it go ahead and just take out every month. And that's just me being real. I just remember having y'all. Oh, that's why I'm really big on really helping y'all and helping at the base level of credit. People don't understand it's still a base level that people don't even know that it's 3 different credit bureaus. How to get your credit reports. Did you know you had a due date? Did you know when your account going to post to the credit bureaus? It's still that base level, and I want to still talk to you guys on that base level because it's real out here. It's really real. Seriously.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these 2 videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.